Radiocomm cryogenic cables are special RF cable assemblies engineered to maintain superconductive properties for ultra-low temperatures. Cable assemblies can be customized and engineered to fit a wide range of applications, including quantum computing, medical imaging, particle physics, and research laboratories. Radiocomm offers 3 types of cryogenic cable assemblies depending on a user's application and requirement. Aluminium alloy-based cables offer good low-temperature performance, while cupronickel and niobium titanium alloy cables offer higher performance characteristics, with niobium titanium cables offering superconducting properties. The VNA sweep test for cupronickel and niobium titanium alloys show consistent RF performance when comparing room and ultra-low temperatures. Radiocomm offers quality cryogenic cable assemblies that can be customized to meet an application's requirement. Contact us today for details.